Welcome back. My name is Odile Faludi. I'm a starting customer conversation specialist. Each week I've been giving away my tips that have taken me 13 years to learn, and I've enjoyed every moment of it. This week's myth that I want to unpack is the one that says those who are top of their game no longer need to cold call. This is very often I come across this working with real estate agents who've been in the business, say, 5 to 10 years. They say, look, Odile, for the first 3 years, I had to cold call 100, 200 prospects per week, hoping to get appraisals. But now that I've been doing it for 5 years, I don't have to do that anymore. So the truth of the matter is that once you've done the hard yards of building a reputation in the marketplace, the reverse starts to happen. You get incoming calls. It is known as the fruits of your labour. So if you'd like to find out more tips, feel free to follow me on LinkedIn or on Twitter at Odile Faludi.